So this is where they sell gas. It is a nice business idea, ha?
Zarina, bakit mo nga pala binayaran?
Please call me Zai. Only my parents call me Zarina, and I'm on leave right now.
Okay, Zai. Bakit mo nga pala binayaran kanina yung mga nasa jeep?
Sorry, mamaya na lang kita babayaran, okay? Just accompany me first to purchase gas, dadagdagan ko pa. Okay? Deal?
Sige, doon tayo.
Okay. Asked my fare, accompanied me to the gas station.
Pabla sa truck.
I'm busy eh. Sige, ikaw na lang. I'll add it sa billing. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, please call me Zai. Oh my God, I don't even know your name. You are?
Luis Antonio. Ito na lang.
Don. Okay, thanks Don. Oh, ito pala. I computed all the services you've done for me and that's the total.
Wala ka ba konsepto ng tulong?
Help? Yeah, we have helpers at home and we pay them too.
Zai,
Oh, shit. Oh, I have to go. Bye. Would you like to apply as my boyfriend?
Lai?
Well, what do you think? Impressive enough na, di ba?
Hindi ba parang sobra-sobra na itong nilagay dito?
Well, ganyan talaga ang standards nila. I personally don't like them. And they never consulted me. So dictatorial, no?
At ikaw, ano ba gusto mo?
Well, I'm impressed by your actions. So siguro someone like you. Kaso nga, I have to cheat your way into my life by telling you this stuff. For example, under boyfriend skills, proprietorship of new restaurants, owns 2 of the best cars, and has good sense of humor. Just review na lang. Kapag nireject ka pa nila, unbelievable na yun.
So, parents mo yung pumipili?
Unfortunately, yes.
Kaya pala.
Excuse me?
Hindi. Wala. Sabi ko, kaya pala ganito yung ginagawa natin kasi parents pala yung pumipili.
So are you ready?
Game!
Wait! We still need to get your picture. And your picture needs to represent all those things written in the resume.
Impressive. But one thing, Mr. Francisco, can you explain your last name?
I sure can, sir. One can pronounce it Francisco to make it sound foreign. Or Francisco. Sounds like a siya the owner, doesn't it?
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Happy with your daughter while having a vacation in the pristine beaches of the Bahamas.
Oh, pristine.
And making paper boats out of money.
What can you contribute to our family?
Ma'am, sir, my family may own a lot of property, but I believe grandchildren are priceless. So I'll give them to you.
What do you think is your advantage over the others?
Well, your daughter wants me, and I can tell. Pati po kayo. I mean, and I can tell you want me to.